Hello everybody, how are we doing? Thomas is here. Today I'm going to record a video for you guys where I'm going to talk a little bit about how to spread your money if you want to save for a pension. We live in the 21st century and now cryptocurrencies obviously are a thing. They are big and there's a lot of opportunities for everyone who wants to save money or make some money, invest and have good profits by investing in crypto. So guys, it's good to diversify, to have more buckets or more cages where you put your hard-earned cash. And when it comes to crypto, you have few options. Obviously, you have few options. You can either buy and sell cryptocurrencies by yourself, right? You find a platform, which is a broker, who allows you to buy and keep and sell again and trade basically any cryptos. For example, Coinbase. In the description there will be a link to join Coinbase via my affiliate link, and also there are other ones like crypto.com. Also the link is below, and some other ones which I will post. What you do, you need to do a very good research on what you are going to buy, because crypto is not just about growing like growth non-stop. Okay, crypto is about going up and down and fluctuation, and very fast fluctuation and very fast moves. Okay, so you have to be ready to see also losses. Yes. So what I did, for example, I bought, of course, I bought Bitcoin a long time ago. Not too long, but something like 3-4 years ago. But now Bitcoin is big, Bitcoin grows, and one day when Bitcoin reaches $100,000 of value, it will be quite expensive. It won't grow again so much, and then there will be a need in the market for another Bitcoin, which will another cryptocurrency will replace it as a leader, and that cryptocurrency's value at the time might be, I don't know, $5,000. Depends what. It may be cheaper, much cheaper if it's not Ethereum. And then this currency will also go up until it reaches 100,000 one day. Yes. So this is great. When we know what it is, when this happens, then we will talk about it and we will buy it and we will hold it. Okay, so that's one thing. But right now we need to do something right now. So what do? We do a research. That's what I did. We do a research on cryptos that are now outside available for you to buy. There is 14,000 plus cryptocurrencies out there, and most of them have a very low value. They cost like $1 or below, and they are not moving. The price is not doing anything. That's not good. That's a sideways market. We don't want that. We want cryptos that go up and down, because we can make money when we sell, we can make money when we buy. So what I did, I chose 20 different cryptos, different coins, and I bought them. For me, to make it easier to understand what's happening with my coins, I bought the same value in let's say in euros or US dollar or Swiss franc, whatever you name it. So let's say you buy something worth $100 and you buy 20 different coins, each $100. Then when you always look at your account, you always nicely see what's happening with each coin you bought. What's the current value? Is it 120? Is it $80? Is it 90, 95, 150, 200, or 2000 in the future when the coin will grow again? As the coins generally grow, but not all of them. The interesting ones, the good ones, the ones that who created them, they make projects with them, that there are investors, involved. The coins that have future, that they will be used in the metaverse, you know. So 20 different coins like that. I will put a list of the coins that I hold at the moment for you to get inspired. But you do whatever you want, you buy, do what you like, okay? Or talk with someone who does crypto for a long time. I have friends like that. Also, I discussed before I invested my money, my cash, before I bought my coins. So this is one thing, and I thought in this video I will talk about more, but I'm just going to conclude here and close it here. You install your broker's app, you buy the coins you like, 10 to 20 different ones at the same value, same price at the time, and then watch it. But think of it like it's a long-term investment. It's gonna take 5 years. Leave it there. It's for your future. What is it if you invest $2,000 or $3,000 at one point? It won't save your savings, it won't save your future, your pension, or it won't make you reach this $2,000-$3,000, okay? But if you put it in the crypto and hold it for the future, it might make a difference in the future, right? Even if you just hold it, if you not trade, I'm not going to tell you to trade, buy and sell, watch for the signals. Let's say you are a very simple people who don't know anything about crypto. Just choose a good cryptos and hold them, okay? So I will close here and I will make another videos, guys, about what other options you have with crypto and with other financial products right now in this year and in coming years, where you can make good money, good profit for your semi or long-term goals. Okay guys, thank you so much. If you like the video, please share it with your friends, because it's good for us to watch and learn, and it's good for everyone who is interested. And yeah, join my channel, follow and watch the other videos I have on the finance and crypto and this kind of topics here in my playlist. Thank you so much guys for watching. Take care, bye bye.